Arrive in style with this 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: electronic cruise control with set and resume speed, tilt steering wheel, variably intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror, tachometer, delay-off headlights, work truck package, 6 speakers, and AM/FM stereo with seek and scan digital clock. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.